Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locating the multi-channel code modules and their primary configuration files. You need to act now. Back up the repository to a new branch so you can revert if needed. Once done, stop the relevant services or detach the live threads and run the unit tests to capture baseline failures. Make sure to note channel ID, mappings, and any transformation logic. This primes you to change only the necessary functions instead of rewriting entire flows. Now you change the routing and mapping functions that control channels, keeping signature stability so callers remain unchanged. Replace or extend only the logic branches that differ across channels. Avoid touching unrelated utilities. Once refactored, run focused unit tests and integration tests for each affected path. This verifies behavior per channel. If dependencies break, mock them temporarily to isolate faults. You do this to minimize risk and guarantee that each channel behaves predictably before full deployment. Finish by merging your validated branch and deploying to staging where you can route a small percentage of live channel traffic to confirm real-world behavior. Monitor metrics and error logs closely. Make incremental increases only after each verification. Once satisfied, deploy to production with a documented rollback plan. If something goes wrong, start by checking aggregated logs and channel mapping tables for mismatches. Often the issue is a stale mapping or env variable. Fix that, then replay tests to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.